Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video you guys will be notified. So here in this video I'm gonna give an honest review on Adsterra.com. So what is Adsterra.com and what you actually need to understand about the platform. So Adsterra is a global advertising website, an affiliate as well, that give and make you earn money from your website and also refer people on the platform to make money, and also post about your platform or your website or your brand to generate traffic to your own website. And these are three options which you can actually make or that you can actually get from Adsterra website. As you can also see here, this is for publishers. This is for publishers if you actually want to make money on Adsterra, and this is for advertisers if you actually want to advertise something on Adsterra, if you want to place an ad on different kind of website and make money from it, and also if you want to promote Adsterra based on affiliate marketing, so you can actually use the website as well. So these are the three options you can actually use to make money on Adsterra. So the website has been founded since 2013, and this is where they actually located like 248 location as well, and over 30,000 partners with Adsterra.com. So who actually work with Adsterra? So as you can also see here, based on what I have listed before, so this is for advertisers. So then these are the different kind of ads they have on the websites. So if you have watched my video on how to place your ad code on your website, so you'll be able to understand how I installed all these features and each functions of them. So if you haven't watched the video, so you can find it on the left or right top corner here, so then you'll be able to watch more about each ad format, so you'll be able to know the one that you actually want to install on your website. So then why you should choose Adsterra? So it said they have 3-level security self-serve platform as well. So if you actually want to launch a campaign on Adsterra or putting your ads on different kind of websites, so you can launch your campaign here. And if you actually want to monetize your website by placing Adsterra ad code on your website, so this is this option is just for you. So these are Adsterra partner feedback from the website. So this is prime video, so and this is the review they give about Adsterra, what they actually gain from them. And this is Mobina, this is Basebone, this is More Offers, and this is sorry, I think that's the last review. So and this is the section for blogs posts from Adsterra.com, so you might be interested in reading one or two posts from it. So as you can see here, they have different kind of posts. So scrolling down, this is the Adsterra location. So they're based in Kaki Street, Adsterra, Cyprus. So with all these things I've read, so I think they're based in Cyprus. So these are their social media handles if you actually want to reach out to them. So as you can see here, so everything is in there. And I also proceed with my research about the platform. So I found a legit website which is called Trustpilot, and I was able to see over 200 reviews about the platform with the overall rating of 4.6 star. So And scrolling down, I was able to see what people are actually saying about the platform. So this particular person says that Adsterra has been cool on how their ads work, but really their conversion is very bad, which keep discouraging me. So check through my website, my account. So then they give a reply. The Adsterra give a reply to this particular reviewer, which is Ola Bosede. So it says that, sorry for the negative experience. I believe our ads can do better. If we could optimize them for you, our manager would like to check your account and work their magic. So can you share your login and email with us? So I guess they try to provide help for this person, and this happening 5 days ago. So scrolling down on February 8th, so best life support and high paying CPM, which is well done Adsterra team. And scrolling down to Omar Mohammed, so it says that the best ad platform anyone could ever use. It's trusted as well, and the team are so helpful when there is a problem or something that doesn't work correctly. So I guess they are actually doing their best as an ad. So I think this is actually nice. Also, I would like to read this as well. So scam advertising network, guys, please take care your money. I don't understand. I start campaign with them. Okay, I actually run a campaign with them. I start campaign with a daily budget $20 from January 2022. I have over 158k impression, but don't have one simple conversion. I use Tracker 2 for tracking my ads. I didn't expect to get bot traffic. When I reported it, with some evidence, so guess what they answered? They said that it's not a bot. So my tracker data did not tell me. So I got multiple clicks from one placement ID. So then I have referral from not available domain. So then I have main VPN or proxy traffic than normal traffic. So you can see my charts from print screen. So I use few test traffic with bot, guys. So and I see 95% it's bot clicks, which is worst. This is so bad. I have to be sincere. So but then let's try to check on this screenshot to see what it's all about. Oops. So let me try to copy. Okay, I guess I was actually making a mistake. So where there is double-distribute.com. Okay, so here's your screenshots. Okay, this is the chart with Adsterra support. So I guess it's not something that we can actually relate that to after what we have actually read here. So but regardless, the whole rating is 4.6, and even me myself, I've tried to use Adsterra platform since AdSense did not approve my website. So I have to just find an alternative in order not to be wasting my traffic on the website, and actually set up a money aside to be spending on running a website. So hosting, domain, writing a content as well. So all those stuffs are now actually easy. So I had to make sure I'm trying to make money from my website. So I've concluded on using Adsterra to monetize my website, so which is actually nice, and I hope to see a great result between. So I just installed this I just installed the Adsterra on my website some hours ago. So I would like to flash you back to my Adsterra account so you can also see what's going on there. So these are all the art codes that I'm using on my website, so like 5 art codes. So, and this is my dashboard right now. So as you can see here, this is revival, this is bonus, this is adjustment, paid in, and everything. So how much do Adsterra pay out? So let's try to check on the payments to see the payment methods and how they actually paid. So this is the payment rules, this is the minimum amount they pay out, this is the currency, and this is the fee they charge for each payout. So they pay in Bitcoin, PayPal, web money, pay Zoom, or pay some transfer, wire transfer, as well as theater. So they charge 2% for this. No fees is included. So this is $50 okay. $50 for USD is $0. So I guess they don't charge money for $50. So they charge $1 for $5. So they don't charge for 1% of payout. So they charge you 1%, and this one up to 5.4% on $100 or any amount you are actually withdrawing. So I guess this is actually nice, maybe. So, and let me check on my statistics to see what's going on there. So yeah, I already have 8 impressions on this one too. The clicks, one click, CTR 12.5, 6.2, and the CPM as well. This is 0.00000. So this is actually funny though, but I will just have to wait for a month to see how everything else goes. So then at that time I'll be able to conclude if it's actually worth it, and I'm very sure I'm gonna make another video on Adsterra payouts. So I guess people would love to hear that from me. So if you actually want to sign up on Adsterra platform, so I might input my referral link on the in the description below, so you'll be able to sign up to Adsterra.com if you haven't before. So I guess I will earn up to like 5% of your revenue maybe. So I'm not sure if anyone will do that, but of course this will not affect your own revenue as well. So that's literally nice. But these are for you in this video, and I guess that a rating of 4.6 is not actually bad. So, and you know, at some point you might be facing a bad experience with some people who are trying to use your service. So I understand that. So but then, as you can see here, they don't have anything poor, so just bad, average, and great, then excellent. So this is the most important thing. So, and it's not a bad idea giving it a trial. So once you give it a trial, you'll be able to understand if the platform actually works it. But if you don't give it a trial, you just be like, what this is what people are actually saying, this is what people are actually saying. So after you give it a trial, you'll be able to understand with your own experience, and also come back to give your own review about the platform, if it's actually worth it or not. So these are for you in this video, and if you would like to if you like the video, don't forget to smash on the like button, and also subscribe to this channel for more website reviews, so and more videos and great content that are more quality like than this. So because I plan to be more better every day. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.